The Wireless Dog Fence 185 is a versatile system that seamlessly integrates a pet training collar with a wireless fence, offering a safe play area without the need for complex installations. It features 3 distinct training modes, including beep, vibration, and safety static, allowing customization based on your dog's temperament and ensuring effective training. The IPX7 waterproof design of the collar ensures that your dog can enjoy the outdoors in any weather without compromising the training process. Equipped with high-capacity lithium batteries, both the collar and remote offer extended usage time and can be recharged quickly, making it perfect for long adventures. Safety is prioritized with an innovative keypad lock to prevent accidental button presses, ensuring your pet's training is both effective and secure. The dual-function flashlight on the remote provides visibility and makes your dog easier to spot, enhancing safety during evening walks or low-light conditions.